Hello, LCCC. My name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at the college, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be talking about the 3-column note-taking method. Right? So what you can do here is create 3 different columns on your notes, right? In your note pages. You can do column 1, column 2, column 3. And depending on the subject, you could put different things in those columns. So for instance, you might have a topic, an explanation, and then details. You might have vocab, definition, and example. You might have a question, you would tie to a specific book, and that might lead to a discussion point. You might have a concept, and that has advantages and disadvantages to it. Or you might come up with a term and internalize and put your own words and pick your own similar concept. What does that mean to you? So when you take notes using a 3-column method, you can pick one of these or pick multiple of these to help organize your notes so they're nice and clean. The goal of this is that you can get your learning done better. All right, that's that time. We're out of time. See you all later.